Hi everyone, in this Django tutorial we are going to talk about Django template inheritance. So it is the most powerful and complex part of Django template engine. So using Django template inheritance we can create a base skeleton template that contains all common elements of our site and define blocks that child templates can override. Okay, so we have already created our index.html in the previous lesson. Right now, we have just one file of HTML. Now, when you are going to develop a web application, maybe you may have more than 10 HTML files. So on that time, it is good to use the Django template inheritance. So what we want to do now is we want to create a base HTML file. This is the HTML file that we are going to create our blocks, and after that our child templates can inherit, and they extend the base HTML and can override the block contents. Right, so here let's create a base HTML file like this. Right, so here let me type in the codes for our base HTML file. We are going to introduce the block keyword. Right here, so we are going to create a block called title. Right, and we end our block. To end a block, we just use the end block keyword. So we have block and we have the ID, the name which we use to reference it. Right, so here we have a block title and we end the block. Right, then here in the body, we are going to create another block for the body. Right, so here we create a block. Let me. Right, we create block body, and here we end our block. Like this. Right. Then, okay, in this file, the block tag defines the two blocks that the child templates can fill in. Right, or the block tag does is to tell the template engine that a child template may override those portions of the template. So that is the use of the block tag. Right, we now want to have our child template here. So let me type in the code. We are going to remove all these codes here, all these HTML codes here. Right, we just are going to leave out these ones because we are going to be using them in the blog of our index.html. So here we first tell Django that this component, it extends in this case we are extending the base.html. Right, so it extends base.html like this. This is how we tell Django. Right, and we want to extend our we want to reference to our title. So here we call block title, right, and we want to put the title for this page. So in this case our title will be home, and we are going to end our block here. Right, let me change the paragraph here. This is tutorial number 7. It's a tutorial on Django template inheritance. Right. So the end block is a one word. It doesn't not have space in between. Right. Also here I had left out the starting of the block, the body block. Right, like this, and we check if our end blocks are typed in as one word, which is a common mistake usually, and you can see that we have typed our codes correctly. Right, so the extends is the key here. It tells the template engine that this template extends another template. When the template system evaluates this template, first it locates the parent, in this case the base.html. At the point, the template engine will notice the two block tags in the base.html and replace those blocks with the contents of the child template. Now let's run our project and see the result. Yeah. Right, as you can see here, we get the same result as it was before extending the base HTML, before creating the base HTML and extending it. So this was it about the Django template inheritance.